Hello and welcome to the next video of our tutorial series. In this video, I will give you a general overview of our Citrans Anomaly IQ app. Here we can manage the anomalies of all our assets. The Anomaly IQ app will always be deployed on your Insight subtenant as part of your Citrans SCM IQ system. Now, it depends on which user role we currently have. Following the Insights Hub user concept, we can choose for Anomaly IQ between maintenance worker and team lead and assign these roles to our team members. Depending on the role, you have different possibilities and tasks in the application. I'm assigning myself now to the role of a maintenance worker. Oh, I received an email notification. It seems that our pump shows an anomaly. Let's jump in right away and check it out. By clicking on the link shown in the anomaly notification, we directly jump to the Anomaly IQ start screen. Open, Done, Resolved, and Exceptions anomalies are displayed in their respective tabs. Our anomaly is listed under Open. Click on it and we are in the Edit mode. In the top area, as a maintenance worker, we can assign it to ourselves. As a team lead, you could assign anomalies to all your maintenance workers. In the second area, we describe the anomaly as clearly as we can. The third area is for useful files like an application picture, a manual, or similar. All information we attached here is not further used in the application and for internal use only. In the last area, we assign a label to classify the anomaly as a certain failure case. We can give it a compact name and a description. Similar anomalies should reuse existing labels, because if a similar anomaly occurs within your assets, these labels serve to give you a recommendation for potential error causes. So, one could say these labels will make the system even smarter over time. By the way, if this listed anomaly would not be an anomaly from your point of view, but maybe a change in the machine's operating state, we can click on No Anomaly at the bottom. The anomaly will be removed from the lists and the anomaly detection will be adjusted. Clicking Save will transfer the anomaly to the tab Done, and our view will jump to the next entry in our anomaly list for our attendance. To review the anomaly, we have to switch to the role of the team lead. As I now have the role team lead, I can now review labels and resolve anomalies. To review anomalies, we click on Review on the sidebar. The label we created before is in state Needs Review. To approve the anomaly label, we click on the tick on the right-hand side of the according label. The status will change to Reviewed. Afterwards, we can review the anomaly. If we accept it, the anomaly is resolved and the status changes from Done to Resolved. So, this is all for today. Now you know how to handle and manage anomalies with Citrans Anomaly IQ. Thank you for watching and see you next time.